Yo, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Devin Baptiste here, representing Black Diamond FX in the building. All right, so today I got something special for y'all, something I want to share with y'all that I've been working on. Um, it's this trading strategy. It's mainly using supply and demand. However, it has a little twist to it. All right. Um, it works very good, especially on the higher time frames. I'm talking about like the it works good on the 1 hour, it works good on the 4 hour, the daily, weekly, monthly, higher time frames. It works real good. You can catch a lot of pips. I have been killing it this past week. All right, so let me show y'all right quick. All right, I'm gonna just give y'all a little brief rundown of it. Okay. All right, so check this out. I want y'all to see something. So what you do is, of course, you're gonna. All right, let me move this right quick. All right, so what we're gonna do a little back test on it right quick. All right, so check this out. Of course, you're gonna look for supply and demand zones, right? So the first thing you do is mark them out. Now you know with supply and demand zones, when you're looking for supply and demand, either drop base drop or rally base. I mean drop base rally or rally base drop. Those are the main ones that I look for because I find that they work pretty good. Okay, so let's see. This is 1 hour. Hold on 1 second, y'all. I want to try to find a good time frame, the best time frame to show y'all this one. All right, so we're gonna look at this one. Now, like I said, you have to be patient. All right, you have to be patient. Being patient is key. All right, so as you can see here, we have a drop. All right, we have a drop here, we have a base, and then a rally, a sudden move up. Okay, so this would be a good demand zone right here. All right, so what we would do is go to your horizontal ray. Okay, now you want to mark when it's a demand zone, you want to mark the opening and the lowest part of the candle, which is that wick. All right. You always mark the open of the candle, not the wick. On a red candle, you mark the open. All right. And when you're doing your supply and demand zones, always remember you want to mark the last bear candle before your bullish move started. Okay. And that's my demand zone right here. I'm gonna just leave it green because you know you buy from demand. Okay, now let's see. Now let's look at this little area right up in here. Okay. All right, and this would likely be our supply zone. Okay, I'm gonna just leave this red up here. Mark this one red. All right. And the same thing, you mark the open of the candle and the opposite end, you mark the wick. So now what you do is you take your Fibonacci. All right, I want y'all to pay attention to my Fibonacci settings. All right, now y'all see my Fib settings? 0, 0.25, the 50%, 75%, and the 1, which is 100. All right, so what I do next is, hold on 1 second. Let me do this right quick. Mark out my zones. Okay. Supply. Okay, so we sell from supply. And remember, we buy from demand, right? Demand. All right, let me just extend this out a little bit more. All right. Okay, so now we have them marked out. So what we do next is, okay, we have see the 25% line? That's called the upper quartile zone. All right. So mark it, upper quartile zone, and you sell from there. Okay, then you have the 75, which is the lower quartile zone, and you buy from there. Okay, and the 50%, you don't have to mark 50, but I do anyway. And 50%. All right. So now what you do is now you've drawn your fibs from here up to here. Now what you do is I know a lot of people, you can sell from your supply zone, but the strategy that I'm talking about, my the way I do it, check it out. Once price closes below 50% zone, all right, you look for it to come somewhere within this quartile zone, this lower quartile zone. All right. Once it gets below this line or even close to it or on it, then you can start looking for buys. All right. So that's what we're going to do. All right. Then once it gets back up, you can start looking for sales. All right. Check this out. Where is my repo? It's up here. I'm sorry. Let's see what we got. All right. See how it dipped below? It went up, but it didn't come quite to our. Right now, it's just kind of like consolidating. You're gonna wait, and like I said, you have to be patient. Wait, what's going on? Okay. We close. We got close to it right here. It's like, all right, look, bam. Okay, so pause it right here. Okay, so now we're in the lower quartile zone, demand zone. All right. So what that is see, we came here and then sudden move up. We left a lot of orders, a lot of unfilled orders here. So price definitely going to come down. So now we're going to look at price action and start looking for our buy opportunities, right? And also to help, what I do is I use the stochastic. So now I look at my stochastic. Stochastic here is oversold, right? So now that tells me that buys should be coming in soon. It don't necessarily mean that buys are coming in right now. It just means that they're going to come in soon. Okay, so now let's watch. Let's see something. Now you could buy here. You could enter your buy here, or you could wait until it come out of the demand zone, or you could wait until it comes back up to here. It's your preference. Okay. Me, normally, I wait for price action. I look at what price action is doing. All right. You see this wick right here? Hold up. This wick right here is a sign of exhaustion. That means the sellers tried to push it down, but they got weak. The sellers are getting weak. They're getting tired. So the buyers are about to come in right here. Okay. So let's see something. So if I buy it, see what price is right here. Let's see, the bottom is right here. That's about a 20 something, let's say 23 pip from here to here. Okay, let's see what happens. Say for instance, I buy right here, put my stop loss down here at about 25 pips. All right. So let's see now. Now my target, once I enter a buy, my target is either going to be this 50% zone or it's going to be this upper quartile zone right here. Okay. So let's see if we buy right here, what happens. Remember patience. Oh, look what happened. All right. So something unexpected happened right here. We gapped. This was probably a new day. But look, even though we gapped, let's see what happens. See? And we're going up, up. Why did it stop? This should still be going. All right, look. I don't know. It's tripping. But look, see what happened? Now, although we came here, so this just lets us know that our stop loss, we got to adjust our stop loss, make our stop loss a little tighter. So if we put our stop loss beneath the demand zone, maybe about 79, 20, let's say about 30 pips, just to be safe. But you see what happened? We bought here. We bought right here. We bought here. Where was it? Oh, right here. This one. We bought on this one, then it dipped all the way down here. All right. But if you didn't know that it was going to go back up, then you probably would have got out of the trade. The best thing to do was stay in. Stay in the trade. And look what happened. Let's see, how many pips did that give us? If we bought here, of course we were in drawdown. We were in about 52 pips of drawdown. But then look what happened. We came all the way up to here. We hit the quartile zone right here 3 days later for 177 pips. And we went all the way up to the supply zone. It went up to here 270 something pips. All right. And then look what happened. You can sell upper quartile zone, sell. Look what happened. We got a double top right here at the supply zone. That's all the price action we need. And look, boom, right back to the lower quartile zone. So you made money here and you made money here. All right. The key is your stop loss. All right. The key is your stop loss. This gap right here, I didn't account for this gap right here. This was probably like the weekend or something like that. I didn't account for that. All right. So, but 9 times out of 10, all of this would have been moved up here and we would have never even hit our stop loss. Okay. But look, like I said, you would have made this 177 or 200 pips right there. And depending on your lot size, that's a lot of money. All right. And then look, you could get back in right here. We have confirmation. We have a hit here, another hit here for our double top. Boom, drop all the way down here. And that is from here to the quart. That's another 100 and something pips. All right. So let's see how far. Let's see if it went back down into the demand zone. I don't think it did. Let's see. No. Let's see what's happening. Okay, look, a double touch. Let's see what happened. Let's see if it goes back up now. Looks like some consolidation. And see, a lot of times when you get these, when you find these zones like this, look, another one. Okay, lower quartile zone buy. You could have bought again here. Boom. See, from the lower quartile zone. All right. Now it's a lot more to it, but if y'all want to learn more, hit me up. I'm going to put my contact information in the description below where I will explain it a little deeper. If y'all interested, hit me up. Check me out on Instagram at blackdiamond_FX. Like my video, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Darren Baptiste, Black Diamond Effects. Talk to y'all later. Deuces. Please stop. Can y'all? Huh?